Only watch this video if you have tried to solve it yourself first in Excel. That's how you learn Excel. You don't learn Excel by just watching a video. Let's try to solve this exercise using ifs. We have to assess whether the grade, which you see in column B, whether it's bigger or equal than 16. In that case, we have to see the text outstanding. If it's bigger or equal than 12, but below 16, very good, etc. So the nice thing about this exercise is that we can refer both to the grades as to the limits as to the text that has to appear when according to the conditions that we put. The thing to watch out for is that every cell that we refer to in this table has to be fixed with the dollar signs, because afterwards we will copy down the formula and we don't want these references to move along with us. The grade does have to move along. Okay, let's start in the beginning. So if the grade is bigger or equal than 16, and now I hit F4 to fix it. In that case, we want to see the text outstanding, and again I hit F4. Now you can continue writing on the same row, but I'm gonna jump to the next row just for the educational purposes, so it's clear that you see what we're doing. If that's not the case, so if the grade is not bigger than 16 or equal than 16, then we're gonna check if it's maybe bigger or equal than 12. F4. If it is indeed bigger or equal than 12, we want to see the text. Very good. Great. If that's also not the case, B2, we are going to check if the grade is bigger or equal than 10. If so, we want to see the word OK. But if that's not the case, we're going to check whether B2 is bigger or equal than 8. F4. F4. If so, wait, this is not right. If B2 is bigger or equal than 8, yes, F4. If that's the case, we want to see nice try, and otherwise we're going to check whether B2 is bigger or equal than 0, which we fix. If that's the case, the text "not a nice try" should appear. And we close parentheses. And there you go. So that's one way to do it. The other way would be with nested ifs. But in this case, if you have